Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to push and ride comfortably on your skateboard. First you need to find out if you're regular or goofy. Regular is with your left foot forward like this. Goofy is this with your right foot forward. So how you find out which one you are, if you slide across the floor, if your left foot is forward, then you're regular, and if your right foot is forward, then you're goofy. How you actually push is you push off of your back foot and keep your front foot on, and then twist your front foot like this. When you first start, you want to do one push and get on, and then do two pushes and get on, and then do three, and then just keep going up and up. The next thing is turning. There's two ways of turning. The first way is doing tic-tacs like this, and then the other way is by leaning. How you tic-tac is just lift up the front of the board, and then just practice him standing still, and then you'll get better. And the other way is leaning. If I lean on my toes, then I'll go right, and if I lean on my heels, then I'll go left. The last thing is common mistakes people do when they're trying to learn how to ride a skateboard. The first thing is Mongo pushing, where you push with your front foot. I just did this for ages and it's so much harder than normal pushing. The last thing is when you push and don't get back on your board, you just push a lot of times and it's so much harder to balance. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.